find the probability density function of the random variable z is equivalent to x plus 1, where x and y are two independent random variables with fx of x equivalent to fy of y equivalent to 1 for 0 to 1. So you have to find the fz of z. So for that you plot both the functions. Fx of x is defined for the interval 0 to 1, that is equivalent to 1. Therefore, you can say what is fy of y? It is same. Okay. That is, the two variables are identically distributed. Okay. They are independent and identically distributed. Okay. Such random variables are called as IID random variables. That is independent and identically distributed random variables. This is also equivalent to 1 for the same interval. So what is the first step in finding the convolution between these two? So fz of z is equivalent to fx of x convolution with fy of y. Okay. Here first replace this x with some dummy variable tau. So this is fy of y. So if you observe the equation, this fz of z is equivalent to integral minus infinity to plus infinity fx of tau fy of z minus tau dt. So we are simply replaced this x with tau, so we obtained fx of tau. Now we have to find fy of z minus tau. How can you obtain fy of z minus tau? Here replace this y with z minus tau. If you let y equivalent to z minus tau, what you will get? Fy of z minus tau. That is, let y is equivalent to z minus tau. So from this, what is the tau? Tau is equivalent to z minus 1. Understood? Now this is tau. Let this as fy of, see we are finding fy of z minus tau. This. See when y equivalent to 0, this is y equivalent to 0, what is tau? Tau equivalent to z. And when y equivalent to 1, when y equivalent to 1, what is tau? Tau is z minus 1. So z minus 1 is somewhere here. When y equivalent to minus 1, take for example this is minus 1, is it? When y equivalent to minus 1, this tau is equivalent to z plus 1. Now, see when y equivalent to 0, the function value is 1. What is the corresponding value here? Z. When y equivalent to 0, tau equivalent to z. So therefore at z, its function value is 1. Okay. When y equivalent to 1, again it is 1. Is it? What is the corresponding value here? Z minus 1. So therefore here also it is 1. Between 0 and 1 it is constant. The corresponding values are Z and Z minus 1. Okay. So therefore between Z and Z minus 1 also is constant. See, from 0 to minus 1 or minus 2, minus 3, this value is 0. The corresponding values are Z, Z plus 1, Z plus 2 and so on. Therefore this is Fy of y and this is Fy of Z minus 2. Because here we already know Fx of tau, we should find Fy of Z minus 2. Then take the product of these two for different values of Z. Is it clear to you? Now you consider as a first case Z is less than 0. Let the Z is less than 0 and plot the two functions. So we are keeping Fx of tau as it is. So this is Fx of tau, which is equivalent to 1 from 0 to 1. Now what about Fx of Fy of Z minus tau? See, we are letting Z is less than 0. See the previous slide. If this Z is less than 0, so this is at less than 0. Okay. What is this value? This magnitude is 1. Now what is this function? This function is Fy of Z minus tau. Here this is Z. What about this? Z minus 1. What is the product of these two? It is 0. So if the product of 0, then area is also 0. Therefore, Fz of Z is equivalent to 0. Now let this Z is lying in between 0 and 1. In the second case, we are letting Z is lying in between 0 and 1. Then you keep the Fx of tau as it is. See, in the graphical convolution or analytical convolution, what we do first, we keep one function as it is, other function is reversed and shift it. For each shift, we have to find the product and area under that product. That's what we are doing. So this is 0 to 1 and this is 1. So we kept the Fx of tau as it is. Now both are overlapping, is it? So what is this value? This is Z minus 1. See, the pulse width is same. When you shift the pulse, its width will not change. What is the width here? What is the width here? 1. Here also width is 1. The only difference is the position is changed, because here Z is now lying in between 0 and 1. Now if you observe this, Fx of tau is 0 in this interval, but Fy, this is Fy of Z minus tau. That is non-zero. The product is 0 in this interval, is it? And the product is 0 in this interval also, because this is 0. One is 0, another is non-zero. So product is 0. But if you consider this interval, in this interval the product is non-zero. So what is the product here? 1 into 1, 1. Okay. And what is the area under it? Area is Z. So therefore this Fz of Z is equivalent to Z. For Z less than 0, it is 0. For Z lying in between 0 and 1, Fz of Z is equivalent to Z. Actually, we obtained this minus infinity to plus infinity, Fx of tau, Fy of Z minus tau d tau. Okay. Here this is 0 to Z. That interval, what is Fx of tau? 1. And Fy of Z minus tau is also 1. from 0 to z, d tau, which is equivalent to z. Now we consider the case z is greater than 1. Otherwise, you do one thing. Here you let 1 less than z less than or equivalent to 2. You consider another interval. See, z is lying in between now 1 and 2. You can take any value between 1 and 2. Therefore, this is the z. Then this will be the z minus 1. Here it is 0. This side also this is. We draw them clearly. Now, so from z minus 1 to 1, this is see from z minus 1 to 1 it is non-zero. Therefore, what is fz of z? 2 minus z. That is the area of this. We need to evaluate the area. That is the integral z minus 1 to 1 into 1 d tau is equivalent to 2 minus z. Follow? That is from 1 to 2. It is 2 minus z. Now we consider z greater than 2. See, for z greater than 2, definitely it is 0 because the width of the pulse that we considered is 1. So there is no overlap. So for z greater than 2, this fz of z is equivalent to 0. Follow this. So this is the way of finding the fz of z given fx of x and fy of y. Understood this? This fz of z is equivalent to 0 for z less than 0, that equivalent to z for 0 to 1, and that equivalent to 2 minus z for, and that is 0 for z greater than. Now we plot it and see. This is z. This is fz of z. Is it right? So let 0, 1. In this interval it is 0, and in this interval also it is 0. See, when z equivalent to 1, this interval 0 to 1, is it? When z equivalent to 1, what is fz of z? Fz of z is 1, is it? When z equivalent to 1, what is fz of z? 1. When z equivalent to 0.5, here, same. What this indicates fz of z equivalent to z, it is a straight line passing through the origin with slope 1. So therefore, this one, 2 minus z is also a straight line passing through 1, 1 and 2, 0 points. Okay. Its slope negative. This is minus z. See here, when z equivalent to 2, if you substitute z equivalent to 2, what you will get? 2 minus 2, 0. That is 0. When z equivalent to 2, it is 0.